All right, I want to show you how easy it was to install the two-piece car seat headrest hooks. These were sent me to test out, and let me tell you, I actually really love these things. These are really nice quality. This is the back side, this is the front with the little hooks. I love this, the black matte design. Super simple to install. Look, I can do it with one hand. You just simply hook it around your headrest hook, and it lays completely flat against the seat, which I love. It's not bulky. I don't have to worry about if it contours to my seat correctly. This one actually just folds right over the seat, so it's not in the way. I love the hooks. These are very sturdy, very modern, stylish hooks. They don't look tacky. I can hang my bags on them, my grocery bags, my purse, anything I need. My son uses them for his book bag. This is a very nice, quality-made headrest car hook. I highly recommend these. Look, I did it with one hand. Again, super simple, easy to install, stylish, trendy. You get two hooks in the pack, so this is a perfect addition to your vehicle.